Congress issues a gag order to leaders on the Pahalgam issue. Congress tells leaders to not speak out of party line. Many leaders have made remarks that created controversy. Clearly, the Congress is very unhappy about what has been going on, and hence this gag order from the party is saying the party line is what the party has spoken about. Anything else is not the party line. The Congress has issued a gag order asking leaders not to comment on Pahalgam. What if it is not in the line of what the party has said? I'm going straight to Maushmi for more details on that story. Maushmi, this was the need of the hour. The Congress stepping in saying that, listen, our line is what we've stated and that there can't be anybody else commenting on the Pahalgam matter because the party line here is sacrosanct. But how about taking action against those people who've made very, made statements which aren't acceptable, like Saifuddin Soz, for example?
Absolutely, Sneha. The big breaking that is coming is that the Congress party had to bend backwards to, in fact, issue a gag order with its motor mouth leaders, embarrassing the party and, in fact, hurting the sentiments of the victims of those who were deceased in this dastardly act. And when the nation is standing in solidarity, the party leadership clearly was upset over leaders like Saifuddin Soz, Vijay Wadatiwar and other leaders who made very irresponsible remarks and finally the party felt the need to restrain its own leaders on issuing statements that were not towing the party line. Now remember that the Congress in its Congress Working Committee meeting had said that even if there were security lapses, which we are raising questions with the government, we will take it on another front. But at this point, we are standing with the government as far as whatever measures the government takes to hit back and retaliate to this dastardly act. And that was about it. That was the Congress Working Committee passing a resolution condemning the attack, saying we are standing in solidarity with the victims. So all these questions about whether there was religious profiling and the remarks, the obnoxious remarks that was made by Saifuddin Soz clearly was damaging the party. It was had caused embarrassment to the party, and that's one reason that there will be a official bite, perhaps, or an official statement coming out from one of the leaders as far as speaking on this issue is concerned. And the Congress has told all its leaders not to speak out of turn.
Will absolutely be with us, Maushmi. Just coming back to you in a moment from now. Reactions coming in. Let's take a listen.
You see, nation, no civilized person can accept that. It's atrocity and killings, totally unacceptable. So, by and large, every citizen in India should adopt the line that the Prime Minister has adopted. After all, he is the leader of the nation. Having said that, I would also say that if Pakistan says that it is not involved, let us accept that argument for a time, and we shall ultimately go by our investigating agencies, and they will know better after they go into it minutely and then locate what is what.
ಯಾರ ನೀವು ಹೊಡೆದು ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗ ಜಾತಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಡ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೇನ ಹೊಡಬಿಡಬಿಡಂಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾನೆ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳಿ ಹೊಡೆಯಟ್ಟಿಸಿ ವ್ಯವಧಾನ ಯಾರಿಗಿರೋದು ಅದನ್ನು ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಓದಿ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಅದ್ರ ಲಾಭ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಹುನ್ನಾರ ಏನು ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಇದು ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು.
इतने 200 किलोमीटर तक लोग अंदर आके अतिरेकी घुस जाते हैं तो तुम्हारा इंटेलिजेंस क्या कर रहा था? वो फेल्यूर नहीं है, इस सरकार का फेल्यूर नहीं है. इस बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता. बात क्या करते हैं तो उन्होंने हिंदू का पूछ कर मारा. अरे कोई टेररिस्ट को पूछने तक समय होता है क्या? उनके कान में जाके नजदीक जाके पूछेगा. ये सब जो बातें हैं बहुत सारे इसमें कंट्रोवर्शियल, कोई बोलता है ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं, कोई बोलते हैं ऐसा हुआ है. ये प्लान करके मत करो. टेररिस्ट है, उसको कोई जात धर्म नहीं होता है, उसके साथ में ऐसा मत करो. और उसको सीधा से सीधा उनको पकड़ के कार्रवाई करो. यही देश के वासियों की भावना है।